Hello and welcome to Digit. In this video, we're going to be unboxing the Amazon Basics XXL gaming mousepad. Now, this is the largest size of gaming mousepad that Amazon has under the Amazon Basics brand. And this is what the packaging comes in. It's quite simple. It's a simple Amazon Basics cardboard box. On the top, we have the name of the product, that is the XXL gaming mousepad. On this side, we have more information regarding where it was manufactured and the pricing. Obviously, check the Amazon listing page for the up-to-date pricing. Nothing over here except for contact information for Amazon, and nothing on this side either. So let's go ahead with the unboxing. So the gaming mousepad comes in a little plastic wrap. You can pull that out. Once that's out, you can unravel the entire thing. Just move this a little to the top, bring this over here, and now you have the entire mousepad on screen. There's a little note on the inside. This is cleaning instructions, so it states that you should hand wash it using only cold water. Do not use bleach, do not tumble dry, do not iron, and do not dry clean. Same thing's been repeated in different languages. We'll keep this on the side. And here's the mat itself. This is massive. It's 450 millimeters wide, 400 millimeters in width, and thickness is about 2 millimeters. I don't know if this is apparent from the top, but let me just pull it up. Yeah, there you go. That's the thickness. It's 2 millimeters. Top surface has a cloth finish with a little branding at the bottom right. And when we flip it around, you have a rubber base, which is textured and gives you plenty of grip. So this will stay on your table or surface without moving around or slipping about. So that's it for the unboxing of the Amazon Basics XXL gaming mousepad. Thank you for watching.